Hi everyone, as we know in England, we can't control the weather, but thanks to Continental, we can be prepared because this is their new all-season Contact 2, the latest all-season tyre to come to the market. Being an all-season, it means we can use it in this glorious sunshine or in those snowy conditions. It's even 3 peak mountain snowflakes certified for those snow and ice. It's got new and improved compound technology which stays consistent under any temperature, providing better grip whatever the season, as well as ultimate driving confidence and safety. The adaptive tread pattern means this tyre is going to last longer. In fact, it's going to give you 15% more miles than its predecessor, the all-season Contact. That's a massive improvement. And they've even reduced the rolling resistance by 6% compared to the predecessor by using more energy efficient materials. This means we're going to save some money on fuel. The Continental AllSeason Contact 2 combines summer and winter tyre technologies to give you the best of both worlds. This eliminates the need for any tyre changes when the weather changes. Now to find out more, head to EdenTyres.com.